inside. Just let it spin, not be worried about him. Next time you know the truth, I think he's just the man for you.
Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Leah back again with another video. In today's video, as you saw from the title, it is another crochet hair install video. In today's crochet hair, as you also saw from the title, is the Toyotress Ocean Wave hair. Now I'm starting this video a bit differently. I normally start before I've installed. As you can see from this, I've already installed the hair. There was a car alarm going out right outside my window for 3 hours. So I decided, let me just go ahead, since I don't need sound for most of the install, let me do it. And then hopefully it'll be resolved. The police came, it was a whole conundrum. We're fine now. But that was a few hours ago. So I installed this hair a few hours ago, and now I'm finally filming this intro. Now, I got this hair from Amazon. I bought it a couple of days ago because you guys were going ham in my comment section recently this week. I got 2 comments in the span of 12 hours requesting me to try this hair. And it was so crazy that it was this particular hair that I was like, you know what? I have no plans. I didn't know what hair I was going to install this weekend. So why not just purchase it and install it. Took only 2 days to get here, so we were up and rolling for today's install video. My braid pattern, 8 braids going straight back, all coalescing into a little bun as per usual. When you buy from Amazon, you do get 8 bundles of the hair. I'm not going to tell you how many I use because you're going to watch this install. So if you want to see from square one, from the time when I was sitting in here, listening to nothing but a car alarm going off for several hours, we're going to flash back and you're going to see me install this Toyotress Ocean Wave hair. This is how the total package comes from Amazon, and in the total package is 8 individual packs of this hair. At the time that I purchased, it was $37, but you guys know how Amazon fluctuates. I got it in the color 4 and in the 14-inch version. They did have a 9 and 12 option at that time. And then they also had an 18 and 20, but not in the exact color I got. So plenty of length options and 17 different color selections as well. On each strand, or in each pack, there are 15 strands. So the 8 packs have 15 strands of hair in them, which should be enough for a total hairstyle. In my belief, I don't believe you should buy more than this package of 8. And like I mentioned, I do have 8 braids going straight back, all coalescing into a little bun in the back, like I normally do for most of my styles. Same process as always. Pushing the crochet needle through my braid, I attach the hair to the end of that needle. I pull now both the needle with that hair attached through the braid, not all the way through, just enough to create a loop. Once I have that loop, I take my crochet needle away from the situation and I use my fingers to pull the rest of the hair through. So the rest of the hair, pulling it through. This install, for some reason, I wanted to pull the hair through twice. No rhyme or reason, no feelings, just oddly, my hands just moved in a mechanism that pulled the hair through 2 times. So that's known as double knotting the hair. And I repeat that process really all throughout my head. Now, I get questions every single time I do an install video. Did I rinse the hair? You guys literally saw everything that happened in this video. You saw me open the pack, pull the hair out of the pack, and no time did you see me rinse anything. You just saw the package of the hair from Amazon and it going straight into my hair. So no, I do not rinse my hair. And it's simply because I don't want to change any element of the hair. I don't have a sensitive scalp, but if you do, I always say this in every video, do what works best for your hair and your scalp. You know your scalp. You know how sensitive your scalp can be. So if rinsing makes sense for you, that's fine. For me, I do have a crochet hair review channel and I want to show and review the hair in its raw form. know the drill. When we get to the front sections of my hair, I split the hair. So I take the hair that I have been installing as is all throughout the back. I split it one time for the front because that is where I invisible knot the hair. So that's where I push the needle through, do the same thing, pull it down and create that loop. And instead of bringing both strands through, I bring only one strand through. That is known as invisible knotting. It creates a very seamless hairline. It also helps your hair not look as bulky in the front where people actually see your hairline. You don't want your hair to look bulky in a lot of your crochet styles. So doing the invisible knot method helps and aids in that. Also, having a little less volume in the front is natural. It's natural with real hair. So you want to have it with your crochet hair as well. This is how much I start. A lot of people ask me, when do I start on the braid invisible knotting? It's really that top, I'd say, I don't know, half of an inch or maybe an inch and a half away from the front of my hair. I don't do it all throughout the braid. I leave a little bit, as you can see in my hairline, I leave a little bit so I can start the invisible knotting process. So, as you saw, that was the install. It feels weird because just 1 second ago I did my intro and now I'm doing my outro. It never works that way. I normally never do it that way, but I digress. This is how the hair looks. You saw in the intro, but let me lean in so you guys can get the complete kind of install, the look of the front, the sides. Again, this is the look. As you saw, I ended up using roughly about 7. So 7, this is all I have left of the 7th bundle. So almost used all of that. I didn't think I was going to use as much. You guys know I install as is in the back. I split in the front. I thought in my mind I would probably not use more than 6, but you can purchase one bundle of it and get away with a full head install, I believe. Now, it goes without saying. It goes without saying, I think I look good. I'm feeling myself a bit, especially I went outside because all the commotion was going. All the neighbors were outside because we were like, this has gone on too long. And one of my neighbors who always sees me looking rough, I'm so ashamed. I'm so ashamed when I see her. She was like, oh my God, my makeup was done. She's like, you did that. You did. Oh my gosh. I was like, okay, I'm feeling myself a little bit. I was like, I did it. I did the hair. I did the makeup. Because yesterday, she probably saw me and I had a braided down head, looking bummy, had my sweats on. I think these the same sweats I might have had on. These my sweat bottoms. Like, I was looking rough. So it was a transformation, but I can't wait to see what the streets have to say next week because boy, oh boy. Now I was hesitant. You guys have been saying try Toyotress. I think ever since last year, was it 2 years ago when I gave the Ocean Waves Saga a chance. I tried Authentic Ocean Wave and I tried Kima and I said, I'm done. I said, I'm wrapping it up. We finished. And then you guys kept suggesting this hair. My issue wasn't that it wasn't beautiful. It just was like, it doesn't look like a wave to me. Like, if you think about how it looked like with Kima Ocean Wave, and if you think about all the waves that I've tried on this channel, they're waves. They're like, think about a quintessential wave pattern. Like, waves are like waves. They're like not curls. These are curls. Woo, woo, going in a circle. Waves are more like, I don't know, crimps. You think of crimps. This, to me, is a curl. It's really a curl. So I was like, I could give it a try, but it's not a wave in the same sense that if I love it, then all of a sudden I like waves. No, because I don't put this in the same bucket as an ocean wave or authentic wave or any of the traditional ocean waves. I think it's ocean wave as it says here. I think it's ocean wave only in title and not in behavior. But that does not negate that the curl is curling. The hair is hairing. The look is looking. I'm excited to wear this. I haven't put any product on this hair, nor have I cut the hair. So you're seeing it in its full 14-inch look. You're seeing it all in its glory, but we don't know. I'm technically traveling with this hair. No, I'm not going near water, but I will test it through water, and you'll see that testing through my actual review video. We don't know how many weeks. I don't have a hard date of when I need to take this hair out. I just need to get through my next few weeks of engagements, and you'll see the flow of this if you're subscribed and you actually check out my review video. Again, I love it today. I love the look of it. It's giving what it needs to give, but will it give what it needs to give in 4 or 5 weeks? We'll see. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Lia Lavon 89 to keep up with my shenanigans in real time. TikTok at Lia Lavon, which is a bit more real time. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.